Cobb salad with perfectly poached eggs, a flavor-packed classic. Imagine a salad that's hearty, colorful, and bursting with flavor. That's exactly what you get with a Cobb salad, but we're taking it up a notch by adding perfectly poached eggs. This dish is the perfect balance of protein, fresh greens, and creamy dressing, making it an ideal meal for lunch or dinner. Whether you're a salad enthusiast or someone who craves a satisfying yet healthy meal, this Cobb salad will not disappoint. The classic Cobb salad originated in the 1930s at the Brown Derby restaurant in Los Angeles. It's known for its delicious mix of crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crispy bacon, creamy avocado, blue cheese, and grilled chicken. But today, we're giving it a modern twist with delicately poached eggs that add richness and elegance to every bite. Ingredients: serves for 6 cups of romaine lettuce, chopped, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 ripe avocado, diced, ½ cup crumbled blue cheese, 4 slices of cooked bacon, crumbled, 2 grilled chicken breasts, sliced, 4 large eggs, for poaching, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced, ½ cup croutons, optional, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, for poaching. Dressing: 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 clove garlic, minced, salt and black pepper to taste. How to make the perfect Cobb salad. Start by preparing all your ingredients. Chop the lettuce, have the cherry tomatoes, dice the avocado, slice the chicken, and crumble the bacon. Set everything aside while you get ready to poach the eggs. The secret to perfectly poached eggs. A poached egg might seem tricky, but with the right technique, it's incredibly simple. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add a teaspoon of white vinegar. Crack an egg into a small bowl, then create a whirlpool in the water before gently dropping in the egg. Let it cook for about 3 minutes for a soft, runny yolk. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on a paper towel. Repeat for the remaining eggs. Assembling the salad. Arrange the chopped romaine lettuce as the base on a large serving platter or individual plates. Neatly arrange the chicken, bacon, tomatoes, avocado, blue cheese, and red onion in separate sections over the lettuce. Carefully place a poached egg in the center of each salad. Whipping up the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Drizzle over the salad right before serving to keep everything fresh and crisp. Why you'll love this Cobb salad. This salad isn't just about great flavors, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. With high-quality protein from the chicken and eggs, healthy fats from avocado, and fiber from fresh vegetables, it's a balanced meal that will keep you satisfied. Plus, the creamy egg yolk acts as an extra dressing, making each bite even more indulgent. If you've never tried a Cobb salad with poached eggs, now is the time. It's simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Will you be adding this to your meal rotation?